bring you a program on Chandrayaan Mission. In the vast space of our universe, where mythology and science come together so often, Chandrayaan shines brightly as a symbol of India's astral hope and exploration. It shows India's strong determination to uncover the moon's mysteries. We all know that India is a developing country and it has been developing in every field. India as a country has always worked hard to boost its huge significant achievements and progress in space research. One of its most important achievements is the historic Chandrayaan project. It was a big step forward in India's bold plan to learn more about the moon and advance science. This important accomplishment has given people a strong feeling of national pride. Chandrayaan, India's ambitious lunar exploration mission, has been a remarkable achievement for the country's space program. This mission has not only showcased India's technological prowess but also its determination to excel in the field of space exploration. The word Chandrayaan means moon vehicle in Hindi. Chandrayaan is India's first lunar exploration mission. It was a significant achievement for India as it made it the fourth country to reach the moon after the United States, Russia, and China. This mission showcased India's expertise in space technology and opened new doors for further space exploration.
Indian Space Research Organization is responsible for launching Chandrayaan mission. One of the major goals of Chandrayaan was to search for water, ice on the moon. It also aimed to figure out what kinds of things are on the moon. Chandrayaan instruments detected the presence of water molecules on the moon's surface, which was a significant finding in the field of lunar exploration. Chandrayaan-1 was launched by the Indian Space Research Organization on 22 October 2008 from Sriharikota. The space carried a suite of scientific instruments and instruments from other countries including the United States, Germany, Sweden, and Bulgaria. It has given us spectrum data with a high level of detail about the moon's minerals. Using its moon mineralogy mapper M3, an instrument provided by NASA, it discovered traces of water on the lunar surface, mapped the moon's topography, and identified several mineral resources. This finding revolutionized our understanding of the moon's composition and its potential for supporting future human exploration. The mission was finally over on August 29, 2009, almost a year after it started. Due to technical problems and a loss of contact with the ISRO ground station, Chandrayaan-1 ran for 312 days instead of the 2 years that had been planned, but it was successful because it met 95% of its goals.
Building upon the success of Chandrayaan-1, ISRO launched Chandrayaan-2, its second lunar mission. This mission had a more ambitious goal of landing a rover on the lunar surface. It consists of an orbiter, a lander called Vikram, and a rover called Pragyan. Chandrayaan-2 aimed to study the lunar surface in more detail, study the moon's mineralogy, measure seismic activities, and enhance our understanding of the moon's evolution, and to find out where and how much water there is on the surface of the moon. It was on 22 July 2019 when Chandrayaan-2 was launched. On 6 September 2019, Chandrayaan-2 lander and rover called Vikram encountered some technical difficulties during its landing phase. Despite this setback, the orbiter component of Chandrayaan-2 continued to operate successfully and continues to study the moon's surface.
Chandrayaan-3, India's ambitious lunar mission, marks the nation's persistent journey into the realms of space exploration. Building upon the triumphs of Chandrayaan-1 and Chandrayaan-2, this mission epitomizes India's unwavering determination to uncover the mysteries of the moon. Both Chandrayaan-1 and Chandrayaan-2 were ambitious and complex missions undertaken by the Indian Space Research Organization to explore the moon. However, they faced different challenges and had different outcomes. Following the partial success of Chandrayaan-2, Indian Space Research Organization announced plans for Chandrayaan 3, a subsequent mission that will focus solely on the lander and rover components. Chandrayaan 3 aims to rectify the technical issues that led to the failure of Chandrayaan 2 landing and expand our knowledge of the moon's surface. Chandrayaan 3 was launched on 14 July 2023 from Satish Dhawan Space Center, second launch pad in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh, India. The lander for Chandrayaan 3 has been made so that it can land gently on the moon. The whole weight of the Chandrayaan 3 spaceship is 3,900 kg. The space entered lunar orbit on 5th August 2023. It is anticipated that the Chandrayaan 3 mission will achieve a soft landing on the lunar South Pole 23rd August 2023. Indian Space Research Organization has set 3 main objectives for the Chandrayaan 3 mission, which includes getting a lander to land safely and softly on the surface of the moon, observing and demonstrating the rover's loitering capabilities on the moon, in-site observation and conducting experiments on the materials available on the lunar surface to better understand composition of the moon. The Chandrayaan 3 rover is expected to make a number of important scientific discoveries, including the composition of the lunar surface, the presence of water ice in the lunar soil, the history of lunar impacts, the evolution of the moon's surface. Chandrayaan 3 will land near the difficult south pole of the moon, which hasn't been explored yet. If all goes as planned, the Chandrayaan 3 mission will be the first to do the soft landing near the moon's south pole.
Chandrayaan has been a remarkable achievement for India's space program. Not only has it contributed to scientific discovery and advancement in space exploration, but it also served as a source of national pride. Chandrayaan has set the stage for more future visits to the moon and more research into its hidden features. Chandrayaan's success is not limited to scientific discoveries, but also socio-economic benefits for the country. A successful mission would further strengthen India's position in the global space community and inspire future generations to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Chandrayaan 3 represents a giant leap for India in its quest to unravel the moon's secrets and contribute to humanity's understanding of the cosmos. As we eagerly await the outcome of this endeavor, let us be inspired by the spirit of exploration and the pursuit of knowledge that Chandrayaan 3 epitomizes, shaping a brighter future for space exploration and scientific discovery. You have just listened to a science program on Chandrayaan Mission presented to you by Tshuthula and Alemkala, which came to you from the studio of Akashvani Kohima.